Hello?
Hi, is this Sam?
No, this is Anna.
Oh, sorry. I think I called the wrong number.
That's okay.
I wanted to call my friend.
No problem. It happens.
Is this number 555-3210?
No, this is 555-3120.
Oops, I typed it wrong.
It's fine. Don't worry.
Thank you for being kind.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
David, it's late. Go to bed now.
I know, Mom. Just a little more.
It's already 11:30.
I'm watching something,
You can watch it tomorrow.
but it's very interesting.
You need sleep. You look tired.
Maybe a little.
You have work in the morning.
Yes, I know.
So, turn off the phone and sleep.
Okay, I will.
Good. Brush your teeth too.
Already did.
That's good. Now go to bed.
All right. Good night, Mom.
Good night. Sleep well.
Thanks. Love you.
Love you too.
Mom, can we go shopping today?
What do you need, John?
I need new shoes.
What happened to your old ones?
They're too small now.
Okay, we can go after lunch.
Yay! Can we go to the mall?
Yes, we'll go to your favorite store.
Thank you, Mom.
Do you know what kind you want?
Maybe white sneakers.
That sounds nice.
Can I also look at jackets?
Sure, but we'll set a budget.
That's fair.
Let's make a list before we go.
Shoes, jacket, and maybe socks?
Good idea. Let's write that down.
This will be fun.
I love shopping with you. Hey, it's bedtime.
Just 5 more minutes.
No, it's late now.
But I'm watching a video.
You can watch it tomorrow.
It's almost finished.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
I don't want to sleep.
You have school in the morning.
I know.
Then turn off the phone, please.
Okay, 1 second.
No more seconds. Give it here.
Fine. I'm turning it off.
Thank you. Now close your eyes.
I'm not sleepy.
Just lie down. Sleep will come.
Will you stay with me?
Sure. I'll stay until you sleep.
Thanks, sis. Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Hey, I was here first.
No, I was. You just came.
That's not true. I was waiting.
I didn't see you. I came from the side.
I was right behind that car.
Then why didn't you say something?
I didn't think I had to.
Okay, maybe I didn't look well.
You should pay attention next time.
I'm sorry. Do you want to go first?
Yes, please. I was really in line.
All right, go ahead.
Thanks for understanding.
No problem. Let's not fight.
Agreed. Have a good day.
You too.
Help! Help me!
What's wrong?
I'm in the water. I can't swim.
Oh no, hold on.
I'm scared.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Please hurry.
I'm almost there.
I can't breathe.
Grab my hand.
I got it.
I'm pulling you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you okay?
I think so. I was so scared.
You're safe now.
You saved me.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I don't know how to swim.
It's okay. You're okay now.
Thank you again.
Anytime. Next time, stay near the edge.
I will. I promise.
You need to rest.
I'm still shaking.
Take deep breaths.
I feel a little better.
Good. Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. You are so kind.
I was worried about you.
I thought I was going to sink.
You were very strong. You didn't give up.
I was lucky you were there.
Next time, go with someone who can swim.
Yes, I made a mistake.
It's okay. You are safe now.
Can you teach me to swim?
Yeah, of course, we can start this weekend.
Really? That would be great.
We'll go slowly. You'll learn.
I want to learn. I never want to feel that again.
And you won't. I'll help you.
Thank you, Tom. You're a real friend.
Always, Lena.
Hey, why are you in front of me?
Because I came first.
No, I was here before.
I didn't see you.
I was talking to my friend over there.
But you left the line.
Only for 1 minute.
Still, I thought the place was free.
I was holding the spot.
With what?
My notebook was on the chair.
Oh, I didn't see it.
It was right there.
I didn't look. I'm sorry.
It's okay, but I waited a long time.
Me too. I came early.
So, what do we do now?
I don't know.
Can I go in front, please?
Okay, you can.
Thank you. I won't take long.
It's fine. Thanks for being nice.
You too. Next time, I'll stay in the line.
Good idea. No more fights.
Deal!
Hello, pizza place. How can I help you?
Hi, I want to order a pizza.
Sure. What size?
Medium, please.
What toppings?
Cheese and mushrooms.
Anything else?
Yes, 1 cola, please.
Okay. 1 medium cheese and mushroom pizza and 1 cola.
Yes,
What's your address?
25 Main Street.
And your phone number?
555 7890.
Got it. Delivery will take 30 minutes.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Bye.
Bye.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!